Good morning all. At a new park today, been here about 10 minutes, just got a lovely 38 signal, 3638, and I've dug a penny, and it's a George, and gee, that looks good. Nice condition. 1949. Okay, bright sunny morning. Okay, second really strong target for the morning. Beautiful 42-44, down about a hand depth. And we've revealed a penny. It's Elizabeth this time. Beautiful Lizzie. Nice looking penny too. And the date is 1962, I think. Beautiful 1962 kangaroo penny. Yay! Keep going. Okay, this was a strong 42-44, and I think that's the impression right there. So we're obviously pretty close. There it is. Beautiful penny. Oh yeah. And it's a 1951 in awesome condition. Yay. And there's George with a big smile. Yay! 3 pennies for today. Keep going. And what was a 32 signal, about that deep, is a lovely sixpence. Check this out. Oh yeah, Lizzie. And it's just right close to that penny which was just there. And let's see if we can get a date. I might just give that a bit of a wash with a bottle, so stand by. Beautiful 1957 silver sixpence, 50% silver this one. Yay! That's what I'm talking about. This one was a very strong 32. Very shallow, couple of inches. Just taking the plug out and taking the excess out, I find the target, and it's a little medallion, a little religious medallion. I don't know if it's silver, but hey, nice one. I can see the I think it's the Virgin Mary. Okay, that should clean up nicely. Keep going. Just over there I got a strong 32 signal and dug down and got a piece of old tin. I've come over a couple of swings, got a 34 signal. Gone down about 3 inches, 4 inches maybe. Just taking the excess out. Would you believe? Commonwealth of Australia penny. An oldie. Yay! Pretty good condition. 1923. Beauty. So watch those 34 signals. Well, it was a very nice signal, 42-44, and it was quite deep. Looks about 4 inches at least, and got it out. Let's say 1959 quarter penny, roughly. It used to be a half penny, but it looks like the mower's given that a clean cut, so we'll call that a quarter penny. Keep going, I might find the rest of it. Cheers. And out of a shallow hole, something I don't get very often these days, a lovely goldie. $2. Well, it's a beautiful day, and here I am in a beautiful location, some wonderful trees, and I've got a few pennies and a sixpence, and I'm just on my way back to the car. Got a 3640 signal, about that deep. I've just taken the clump out, and there she is. Beautiful penny. Oh, 1950. What a beauty. Nice looking penny. The birds are very friendly here. This one's just coming over to say g'day. Ooh, looks like he just got something nice too. I think this guy must have concentric hearing. I wonder what his settings are. Gives you an idea of how close he is. That's the end of my detector right there. And another penny, just as the battery runs out. Oh yes. Oh, it's a beauty too, look at that. 1952. It's almost new. What a beauty. It's beautiful soil here too. Okay. Cheers all, good luck and happy hunting. Okay, bye bye birdie, good luck and happy hunting.